iMarch and March isikhipha istatement sokuthi iyakhahlela ukusebenzisana noNgizwe Mchunu. Kusho ukuthi ke if uNgizwe Mchunu engaqhubeka ebonakala kumaMashi ngeke azabonakala kumaMashi alwisana nabo ukufika weMarch and March. Sithi lesi statement kunokuningi that is going on ney'nsolo zokuthi hayi engazi ukuthi khona intuba yabaso mbusazwe abangena ngentuba ukhona ongaphakathi oyivulayo le ntuba. So ke okwamanje waliqhubeka uphenyo la ngaphakathi umuntu oqala nje abaqanyelwa uwe bangase bemkhahlela uNgizwe. Ichunu. Kodwa nkosami ichunu. Ichunu umxoshwa nje. Ichunu umxoshwa nkosi yami. Hayi uyichunu lethu bawethu uphakade. Ichunu nje linamabhadi ichunu. Lihleze liqoshwa nje lona. UJacinta. Hayi. Alingena indlela lingabe kusaba khona ukusebenzisana kwiMarch and March until kuze kuphothula uphenyo. Uyabona iMarch and March mawuyibheka engazi ukuthi the biggest party esinkulu nje kunama political party existayo eSouth Africa because it's well organized. Uma uthi uphakela umthakathi uzoqhubeka mhlambe nalobu budlavini bakhe angacishanga last la kwiMarch and March kunobunono kunobunithi kwiMarch and March qondile kuthe hayi shame lengane lekho uJacinta ayalikhahlela ichunu
bafowethu into ongayazi inkulu kakhulu kunawe bafowethu ngibona kunezindaba ezitrendayo kakhulu lapha nalapha kwezokuxhumana angizazi noma ziyiqiniso noma zamanga yini kodwa ingakho ngikhetha ukuthi ngizofaka lesi sithi Mchunu at the center of March and March internal investigation story below kwase kuyabhalwa okubhaliwe eyazi bafowethu iyanhlaka ke lento ngisazobheka futhi epagini leyo ke nje iMarch and March ukuthi ikhona yini into ekanjalo ngabe iqiniso kodwa engikubonile ngibheke lapha epagini lika King Zoso ukuthi naye ubhale nje akubhalile uKing Zoso lapho ukuthi hayi impela kuthiwa uMacingwana uxetshulwe amadiski kodwa ingane wambiza ngesibongo sama wakhe ayikakasho lutho neyintatheli singamxini zingalokho zembuzo imibuzo angazi ke kanjani kodwa ungathi kuneyinsolwanyana ukuthi kukhona akumukelile phela okuyinkece so ke asikwazi ke bafowethu ungabe niyakhumbula ukuthi ngake ngenza ivideo phambilini ukuthi yazi bafowethu umzabalazo wethu kuzofuneka ukuthi siuvikele siuprotect thina ngoba iMarch and March i-revolutionary yethu umzabalazo wethu thina abantu oyiqhelenisayo kanye nepolitiki awuhlangani nepolitiki kodwa baningi abantu abama-politician nabamalandeli bepolitiki abakuwona bonke abawulandela because bonke abantu banama-political parties wabo abawalandelayo nabawathandayo abangawavotela as much as nayo uNgizwe siyazi ukuthi iqabane uyi-ANC siyazi ukuthi uphakela umthakathi uyi-IFP siyawazi lokho so ke akusiyona inkinga ke lokho ke nganza kwethu baningi inhlangano eziningi ezihlukahlukene ezisupporta lo mzabalazo olwakakhulukazi nama illegal foreigners abokuhamba abangenazo izincwadi la ezwenikazi lase South Africa kodwa okuthusayo ukuthi kungene lembiko yokuthi oMacingwana engathi yasolakala ukuthi kukhona izimali azireceive there and there so iMarch and March iyafunga yagomecha ngeke isakwazi ukukhoxisela ukuthi sebenzisana naye yenze uphenyo ukuthi ngabe lezo zinto zenzakalile yini na kodwa ngicabanga ukuthi uyena uNgizwe kufanele ukuthi aclean igama lakhe ngoba uyabona nganza kwethu awukwazi ukuphila njalo uhlala uphila ngokusolwa umuntu nomuntu kufanele kuhambe isikhathi ukuthi akebuya akhule izinto uzenza umfanyana usakhula ngeke njalo uyakhula wenzwa zonke lezo zinto njalo uyasolwa ekwenzeni izinto ezinobuqhophololo nengathembakali kanjalo so ke sizwe ukuthi kuhamba kanjani sisazophenya asinazo iqiniseko nathi sisazobheka nje siphenye sithole ukuthi ngempela ikhona yini into emsondelisa nokuthi ukomelile. And nikhumbule nganza kwethu ukuthi vese laba bama-politicians abekho happy kahle nge-march and march, abekho happy since phela i-march and march ixosha labantu abadlayo ngabo, ngoba siyazi ukuthi ama-illegal foreigners amaningi ayakhokha kulaba bezepolitiki, bakhona lana nje ngenxa laba bezepolitiki noma ngamaqembu athizeni, and akusiwona wonke amaqembu ezepolitiki aneme nayo nje i-DA sayingakhuluma kahle ngayo i-march and march also as well. Angikhumbuli i-ANC iqala iphumela obala ikhuluma obala nge-march and march, but bakhona futhi abeqembu likakhongolose abaphumela nje obala bathi abahambe abangala, kodwa bese ukuthi izikhulu eziphezulu lapha ungathi azikho kahle happy ngendaba ngodaba lwayo i-march and march, okusho ukuthi-ke ngenza ukuthi imali kungenzeka idlaliswe ukuthi lo mbutho we-march and march ucishwe ungakhanyi ngoba uphazamisa abantu abathizeni. Sithembe-ke Macengwane ukuthi ngempela awumukelanga yini imali sezwakithi, ngempela izinsolo uklini nikuzona, ngoba sizofuna ukuzwa uvo lakho, ngoba nola ngomhla ka-30 izinsolo zokuthi wena wawuhlangane nomuntu awusange uphumele obala wena vele njengophela umthakathi, cha kwenzeke kanje wagcina nje ushona le wangaveza ukuthi yiliphi isayidi lakho olaziyo. Kodwa-ke angithandi ukungena kuma-allegation akanjalo ngempela, since ngake ngasho ngathi kuzofuneka siwumphakathi sizenzeleni into yethu bese siphinde sikwazi ukubasapota labantu ukuze benganikezwa imali, bengaxishwa imali, ngoba ngempela bafutha umuntu uma ezosanganiswa u-3 million, phela u-3 million uyafana nje no-3,000 rand. Kufanele sibe sicabange lokho, sozwa ukuthi kuhamba kwesikhathi kwenzakalani nganza kwethu, singashesha sijaje, singashesha senzeni, kodwa nje bayashaya bathi uzotsheza weMacengwane ama ukuthi kukhona ngempela okwenzile, bathi abantu ngeke uzudayise ngomzabalazo wabo. Asazi-ke Macengwane ukuthi uzokwenza kanjani, iyoba nibole, ngoba imali-ke le bafowethu iyathengisa uJesu, baye besho kanjalo. Sonke siyazi ukuthi uJudas wayimukela imali, wathengisa uJesu, wagcina ehenga. Basopha Macengwane.
Hey, say, hey. Hili akawa. Bafethu, ngaza kwethu. It's a creed. Umsomluko. Mhla 27 July 2026. Nakanjani-ke nganza kwethu ngithi-ke siphuma lapha eRichards Bay ukuthi-ke lapha siyolwa nesimo sabasebenzi ngomhlukumezeka kwabo enkampanini abayisebenzelayo ngaphansi kwa-Transnet. Siyathemba-ke ukuthi umlayezo usudlulisile uzozwakala. Njengoba ngikhuluma-ke nje lezi ndaba, ngikhuluma lezi ndaba ngokukhulu ukujabula ukuthi emveni kokumasha kwethu isikhathi eside kangaka 1,000 marches across South Africa akadenzeka ekwazi wafika umhla ka-30 owabekwa njengelanga futhi-ke eliwumncamla juqu futhi elikhuthaza ukuthi abantu bokufika bahambe abangenamaphepha. Sikuthokozelile kakhulu lokho futhi manje sekuthele ithelo ngoba iqiniso limile. As much as singakuzuzile konke kodwa futhi we can't march forever. Iqiniso limile lelo, iqiniso lonke, iqiniso lodwa, iqiniso lelo ngoba asinayo inhloso yokucollapse economy. Futhi ngikhuluma lokho njengesenior yomuntu okwaziyo ukuboshwa abafowethu silitha labo yonke lento ukuthi dadewethu uMangobese noPethu Phakela abalazi ijele, and futhi they are junior to me. They are excited about every situation, limelight, relevancy, and everything. I'm no longer excited. I'm visionary. I know what to do and when to do it. So where someone is weaker, someone has to protect each other. Someone has to elevate each other. So this is the position I'm taking. On social media platforms, they may be there to say whatever they want to say because of the likes, because of the relevancies, because of abantu befuna ukuthi bahole ekugcineni kosuku ama-views. So i-country is not about views. I-country is a very serious matter. We are serious about reparating our own country called South Africa. Njengamanje ngiyajabula kakhulu ukuthi kwi-Gauteng province uhulumeni wakhona has responded. Ulokhunjana ucommissioner was-Gauteng esasinaye simasha eHeathrow, simasha eUval, responded. Has called me ukuthi no station manager wase-Heathrow, no station manager wase-UVAL, ney'nduna zase-UVAL sengikhulumile nazo, nezase-Heathrow, nezase-GP, nezase-Gauteng yonkana jikelele esasinazo umhla ka-30. Ngithi bafowethu sipheleleni sonke ngoLwesithathu ngo-9 siyomukela imbali zethu, siyomukela ama-result okumasha kwethu, ngoba we can't march forever, but we must march for the reason now and for the change, not for complainants, but we march to the greener pastures. The greener pastures is to receive ukuthi after we have placed the memorandum, uhulumeni wase-Gauteng uthini. Ngiyawubonga to respond. NgoLwesithathu ngo-9 ekuseni zonke iy'nduna esasinazo umhla ka-30 esasigijima nazo estradini, sasigijima nazo ey'ndaweni ezahlukahlukene, nazo zonke iy'nsizwa zama-security esasinazo eGoli ngomhla ka-30 esathembisana ukuthi bafana bakithi siyofala ndawonye. Siyacela ukuthi sibe khona ngoLwesithathu siyozwa ukuthi ngempela uresponde uthini kuthina ucommissioner, uresponde kuthina u-station manager wase-Heathrow, uresponde uthini u-station manager wase-UVAL ngaso sonke isigameko sase-Gauteng sokuthi kube nama-illegal occupants emabhilidini, kube nama-drugs ko-Heathrow, kube ne-prostitutions ko-Heathrow nako-UVAL, yonke indawo koGoli ko-Sunnyside. So into enjengaleyo now isifikile. Njengongizwa umlando wamchunu, as a normal citizen of South Africa, I'm here to declare that I will be the part of that, because imina kuphela ekhona kuma-leaders akhona senior eGauteng umhla ka-30, imina futhi ozobe khona ekuthenini ngikwazi ukuyo receiver i-respond evela ko-station commander kanye no-commissioner ne-Gauteng province as a whole ukuthi reactor ethini kulesi simo esikhala ngaso si-country, si-South Africa, singabantu baseNingizimu Afrika. Ngiyabonga kakhulu uPanyaza ukuthi ubuholi bakho bume ngalendlela obume ngayo, futhi nawe uzame kunzima kunjalo ukuthi uhlakule isimo siye phambili. Namanje ke siya encourage ukuthi all other provinces noba umuntu siyambona naye uyakwazi ukuthi a-react entweni enjengalezi sikhala ngazo si-country, si-South Africa. Siyakubonga kakhulu Mphemba ukuthi ithe kandlela kodwa sikufuna manje u-action namanye ama-province siyawa-encourage to do the same. Siyabonga kakhulu ngenza kwethu sicela ukuthi sihlangane sonke ngensolo zakithi sibambe ngomthetho omdala kaMose. Gauteng ngoLwesithathu ngo-8 ekuseni kwamayimayi siyasuka sibheka eHeathrow, suke eHeathrow sithi UVAL, sihlangane no-station commander wakhona eHeathrow, sihlangane no-station commander wakhona eUVAL, ney'nduna zakhona nazo zonke iy'nduna esasinazo kwi-Gauteng province zibe khona, si-witness the history. We march for the change. We are not marching just to sweat.
Hello good people, welcome back to this channel. If you are new here, please make sure you do the right thing. You press that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Good people, please comment your thought below. Tell us what do you think after watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Kulongele, bye. See you on the next one.